Hey there, I'm Lara from 5 out of 4 Patterns. You have asked, we are going to deliver, and that means the Agility Tank and Dress Sew Along is happening now. And we have an awesome sponsor. I'm so excited. I can't even tell you how fun it was buying fabric for this sew along. Serge Fabric Shop has decided to be our sponsor for this sew along. It's amazing. My fabric is so beautiful, I can hardly take it. I cannot wait to order more. I did order extra. Because, you know, why wouldn't you? Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. I'm ready to get started. How about you? What we've done is we have separated this pattern into 5 sections, 5 smaller sections that we can take and show every single step. I want to show you all of the options, and there are a ton. So for day 1, we are going to put together the pattern pieces. We're going to tape or glue them all together, and then we're going to cut out our fabric. Day 2, we're going to work on the bra, just the standard bra with the T-back or with the strappy back. Very excited, very fun bra. And day 3, we're going to jump in on the nursing option. Now, I know that that's just one small section, and there won't be a lot of people that are doing the nursing option, but I really think it's important that we tackle that for those who like to do the nursing option. Day 4, we're going to tackle the top and the dress, and day 5, we're going to finish it all up. We're going to band it, we're going to hem it, and we're even going to do the drawstring finish. I'm super excited about that. I've yet to do that particular finish, and so I'm really excited about how that's going to look. So we're going to do it all. Are you ready to get started? I am. We'll see you then. Bye.